My name is Lorraine and I help people live with passion, purpose and positivity. Welcome to my channel, and today's video is called How to Use My Self-Love Meditation. I did a self-love meditation a few days ago, and it's called Self-Love Meditation by Connecting to Your Inner Child. And it takes you on a journey to your inner child that is always within you. But it's like a guided meditation. You're going to meet the inner child in a park. And it's very powerful if you really get into the essence of the meditation. I do believe it can change your life if you do it properly. I've deliberately made it short so you know, people are busy and it's just something you can do every day, and I suggest you do it first thing in the morning, and then that's going to set you up for the day and you're going to start feeling more self-love. But what I want you to do is not only do it every day, because repetition is the key. You're changing the neuro pathways in the brain. Also, what I want you to do is to prepare before you do the self-love meditation. And you prepare by, you know, the 2 minutes that I say to you that you're hugging your inner child and then you merge with your inner child. I hope I'm not spoiling it for you if you haven't done it yet. But in them 2 minutes, you can think about all the traumas that you've had in the past. From you know, if you become aware of what happened in the past and how it's affecting you now, if you like think back to your childhood and think, yeah, that happened, and yeah, my mum did this, my dad said that, and that's why I've got these patterns in me now. Once you become aware of them patterns and how they're affecting you in your life now, that is the key. Being aware is the key, because then you can change it, you can reframe it. And like I suggest in the meditation, you can forgive those who traumatised you in the past, because often people don't know. You know, they're just behaving with the knowledge that they have at the time, and we forgive them. We forgive ourselves for any, you know, for beating ourselves up about stuff. You know, we've just got to move forward, create self-love. And life's so much better when you love yourself. I mean, you're with yourself all day, every day, aren't you? So, you know, and you can tell how much you love yourself by how you talk to yourself, how much you beat yourself up about things. Be aware of your thoughts. I mean, some people might think that I love myself, but then they look in the mirror and they start criticising the way they look, or whether they put on weight or anything like that. You've got to accept yourself exactly as you are. You're the person that you are now because of your experiences in the past. So we're not trying to change the past, we're trying to reframe it so as to have a more empowering life now. So in conjunction with the self-love hypnosis, self-love meditation, I'm going to create a self-love affirmation hypnosis. And it's a series of affirmations that you do again and again and again for about 10 minutes. And you could perhaps do the self-love meditation in the morning, and then the affirmations in the evening before you go to sleep. And that'll get ingrained in your subconscious mind, you know, that all these really empowering affirmations that are going to cultivate self-love in your life. So the two of them combined together can be, if you allow it, be very powerful, and you can cultivate self-love. And like I said before, I made them simple and easy. Anybody can do it, and they just have to go inward, think about what experiences they had in the past, reframe them, forgive people, accept yourself as you are, and love yourself. You know, once you start loving yourself, it becomes blissful when you spend time on your own. Anyway, I hope this helps. As I say, in the next few days I'll be doing a affirmation hypnosis which you can use with the self-love meditation. I hope you have a wonderful day, everybody. In the description below I'll put my website and my Instagram page and my Facebook page. And if you like this video, please press the like button, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. Blessings to you, my friends. Much love and namaste.